Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. My name is Juan, and today I'm here to talk about the different products that Cotek has on the store.office.com. What is Cotek? Cotek is a software development company located in Atlanta, Georgia, with multiple regional offices in West London, Chelsea, and India. Cotek stands for Corporate Technology. We specialize in SharePoint, Internet, Intranet, and Extranet site development. And today I'd like to go over some of the applications that we have available. Starting off with Offer Commerce, which is our e-commerce solution. Offer Commerce allows your customers to complete their orders in your site without changing over to another company's checkout page. The adding is highly secured without additional setup, hosting, auditing costs to you. Product catalog supports unlimited store items. With Offer Commerce, you will get fewer abandoned shopping carts and more completed orders. In addition, you can issue coupons and discount codes by country, city, currency, date, coupon expiration, and many more. You're also able to have store inventory tracking and vendors and client email notification, multiple level pricing with product variants. I'd like to go over a demo real quick just so you guys can see. So this is what the front end of the website would look like of your e-commerce solution, and you have the availability to search items, sort them by category. Again, and this is all customizable. We can because SharePoint does not include all the functionalities, we are able to customize this entire application depending on what your needs are. But let me go ahead and just go over the front end real quick just so you guys can see, and then we can go over to the back end of the application. For example, a customer would pick on a certain product, and this app allows you to change the price will change depending on your the color. Or for example, if you guys are selling a shirt or something, and instead of a large, you want an extra, the customer wants an extra large, the price will change from one size to the other depending on how you want it. If you want it to stay the same, it can also stay the same. But if you can see, the price right now is for the red Samsung S5 is $195. When we change it over to silver, the price changes to $382. And for this exact product, the shipping is free, but this application allows you to have your shipping calculated automatically while when the customer gets to the checkout page. So for example, let's go ahead and add this item to cart just so you guys can have an example. And since that one has a free shipping, but customers can go on here and change the shipping option, or you can also add coupons to this cell. The way you can do that is by going to the back end of the page or the administration page of the application and adding a coupon for your customers to use. And I can show you guys that right now. But first, this is the administration page for the Offer Commerce app, and you guys can see the product catalog. You guys have the ability to add as many items as you guys would like. See the transaction logs from here, so you can see the status of this transaction that was last made in September 5th is processing. This one from the 23rd for this MacBook Pro is completed, so that means that the payment has been made. I'm sorry, that the product has been shipped over, and this sale has been completed. And for example, this one right here is for the product has been paid. And let's go ahead and Offer Commerce We also have a CRM for this application, and you have a list of clients that you have, and if you've been able to contact them or the email promotions that you've sent them. You can see here, yes, no, yes. It really depends on how much you work that. But for demonstration purposes, let me go ahead and get to this coupon. So we can go ahead and add a coupon to this to one of our sales for our customer, or we can just go ahead and enable one of the coupons that we already have available. So let's go ahead and just add a new coupon. So let's make this off 20. You can make it however the duration to be people can use it once, or for it to be available multiple months or forever. Just for now, let's go ahead and just leave it for once. Percent off, we could put 20. Amount off, let's see here, redeem by, could put let's see here, say they can redeem it 5 times, and we can put the redeem date by 05/05 just for demonstration purposes. 2018. Let's go ahead and alright, so here you can see we have the coupon. We're 20% off one time or once for the customer, and you can see here when we created it or when it expires, I'm sorry. And let's go ahead and go back to the item real quick and show you guys how we can apply this coupon to the actual product for the customer. Okay, let's say we want to add it to, it could be this one or any product on this catalog, but let's go ahead and go with the iPad, and let's add to cart once again and enter that coupon. You guys can see what the overall price is, and on this one the shipping is not free, so this one has a shipping price on it, and it says 20% discount has been applied to your order, and you guys can see the difference now. And customers are able to proceed to checkout, and they have the ability to enter in their information, first, last name, and let's see here, and they can pay with the debit card and PayPal. It's not letting me go through because it needs all this information, but since this is just a demo, just like to go ahead and proceed on to the next product that we currently have. And this is a small demonstration of a small image demonstration of our administration page. The next application is Instant Invoice. Create, send, and receive payments for your invoices. One of my favorite applications on here is this Instant Invoice, because you have the ability to create invoices, send a document over on through email, and the customer has the ability to pay on spot. It has a pay now button, and I can show you guys a small demonstration. This is a picture of what the invoice looks like, but let me go ahead and show you guys what it would look like as a live product. And let's see here. And this application allows you to have reoccurring payments, so your customers can subscribe to whatever service you guys have available, and they can automatically build their account as long as they subscribe to your to whatever service or product you have. So you have this tab over here where you can manage documents, create new invoice, receipt, quote, estimate, items, and report settings. And let's go ahead and you also have this I guess you could say a list of invoices or estimate, whatever type of document it has. You can see it can sort these out right here with your customer. And you can also have the ability to check your customers, the ones that paid, the partially paid, the unpaid, the overdue draft, the drafts you've made, or the canceled invoices that you guys have issued. And once again, this is a live view of what the invoice would look like. You can change this file or this image to whatever you like, your company logo. This is just for demo purposes, and here is your business information, where you're billing it to, and you can choose the currency for which you're going to be. For example, right now this one's for in US dollars, but it can change over. We support all the currencies that are available, and you can add the description of the item. And you can see here that all these different fields are available to customize. Let's go ahead and get back to here where you can manage your invoices and see the descriptions of the ones that you've already created. You also have the ability to check your subscriptions. So, for example, we have these different customers on with different plans for your company. Let's go ahead and continue on with the next product. We have a employee clients testimonial application. From creating testimonials to adding your employee testimonials add-in to your page. We made the whole process very easy. Employee testimonial add-ins, user interface supports, browse, upload. We made the process and the links for your testimonies. When you hover over a testimony, when you're over your site, it can, the customer has the ability to either click on it and it enlarges the testimony, or just hover over it and it will enlarge it. And here's like small demo. So we have different templates. This just because it looks like this does not mean that it cannot be customized to however look and feel you like it to be. But this is a zoomed in picture of what the testimonial app would look like, or how it would look like on your internet page. We built it with Bootstrap jQuery, HTML5, and CSS3. We also have a responsive slider, and this slider is available for our customers, and where they can add it to their page, and where it slide pictures on their website. And here is an example of how that would look like. So when a customer goes into your website, let's say you have your company logo and some information, and you can have a get started button or a learn more button, and we have many different templates where you can customize the way it transitions. As you can see how this one transitions over a period of time, or you have these arrows where your customer has the ability to click on it to move on to the next picture. And you can see that on here. You just have to add in the information you'd like, but this is just for demo purposes, and you can see how it transitions in. Explore now. And all this application, the smart responsive slider application, has the ability, you have the ability to add in your own CSS code or JavaScript code to this particular slider. So if you have a particular customized way that you want this to transition over into your page, you can just add it in through here, through the administration page for the application, and where you can create a new slide and have these settings. Just add in a file, and you can preview the slideshow and things like that. Let me show you guys where you can add your script file to this. And here you go to settings and you go to add script file, and you can link in your CSS file or your JavaScript file right here, and then update the script, and then go back to create a new slide, or you can also create a video slide, preview your slide. General settings, and let me show you guys, you can change the color theme here, the title, you can enable it, disable it, image description. We have many different customizable features to this application. Let's see here, and well, thank you guys for tuning in today. You guys have a great day.